In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload YouTube Shorts from your PC. Okay, so all you have to do to upload your short is go to youtube.com. Now, once you're here on the computer, you can go ahead and click create in the top right hand corner, making sure that you're logged into the correct channel you want to upload to. Then go upload video. Then it will open this window where you can either click select files and open the file explorer, or if you already have the short video, you can just simply drag it on. So I'm going to drag on a video. The video has to be in a 9:16 dimension, and once you do that, YouTube will recognize that it is a short. As you can see down here by the video link, it will say youtube.com/shorts. Then you can give it a title, you can add a description, and change all of these settings that you usually would do when uploading to YouTube. Just know though, your title and the first line of the description is going to be visible when people are scrolling, so you want to make sure that your title complements any caption that you have on the thumbnail. Click through these, make sure the monetization settings are all good, approve any of these, submit the rating if you are monetized on YouTube, and then you'll get to the visibility window. To publish it, click on public. If you want to publish it later, you can click on unlisted and make it public later. Just make sure that it is youtube.com/shorts and you should be good to go.